We're back with breaking updates coming in. Demands are growing for H.C. Mahadevappa as the Deputy Chief Minister. Remember, both Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar are in the national capital. They are holding discussions with the High Command later today to decide on the cabinet. But as of now, supporters are staging protests in Mysuru. Supporters of H.C. Mahadevappa demanding that he should be made the Deputy Chief Minister. My colleague Neha is getting us this update. And Neha, we are seeing protests outside the KPCC office in Bengaluru, now in Mysuru as well. So supporters have clearly placed their demands ahead of this meeting of Siddaramaiah and DKS with the High Command.
Well, that's absolutely right. Of course, we're seeing protests breaking out across different parts of Karnataka now, demanding from the loyalists at least, demanding that their respective leaders, in fact, be given their share of the pie as far as the cabinet is concerned. Now, whether this has to do with protests, of course, for a Dalit leader, whether this has to do with protests, in fact, for H.C. Mahadevappa now to be inducted into the cabinet and given a senior plump post or others, it clearly seems like the loyalists, in fact, rather the followers per se of these particular leaders here are quite disgruntled, demanding that in fact a cabinet berth be given to them. More importantly, what remains to be seen at this point is what happens in Delhi with those discussions, and of course whether at all there's going to be any sort of satisfaction here, consensus here that is agreed upon by all of the leaders and by the ministers, and also more importantly with the Congress High Command.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us with those details.